Hey there and welcome back to a new outdoor adventure. This time I have my backpack with me, my tent and my air mattress. I am also going to try to make fire. Let's see if that works. Everything is wet outside, it's snowing and we're in the middle of the winter. This is where I am now. I had to hike like around 1 hour to find this nice spot. As you can see, there are no footprints whatsoever from no one. They are my only footprints there. So that shows that at least in the last 12 hours no one actually passed here. And I am going to open up my backpack now, pitch up my tent, because I will try to put it to the test. So I just finished pitching up the tent. I give you a 360 degrees around the tent, see how it's looking like. I have to put the backpack also inside. This is actually a cheap tent. I bought it on Amazon for like 55 euros. And I am really curious how well it's going to do its job in cold climate and in snow. Yeah, I improvised here a bit. This is the same tent that I used on my backpack adventure trip in Jamaica in January of 2020. And it did a very good job when it rained like crazy. And yeah, let's see how it's going to behave now. I have a thermometer with me, so I want to see the temperature right now, what we have outside, and also inside the tent later on when I'm going to lay there. I have to pump up the mattress, maybe try to find some wood to make fire, which I highly doubt is going to work, but what the heck, let's just try. This pile here maybe. I'm really not sure if anything is dry at this time. I mean, this could be dry if it didn't snow, but no, it's not gonna make it. And this might be good. Yeah, this might be good. Okay, I mean, it's still wet, like, but I will try to see if I can find a bit more of this. Let's see. This seems to be very dry, this wood. It's just outside is a bit wet. Yeah, I'm going to bring up this dry branch that I hope is dry and give it a shot. And if this one doesn't work, then nothing is going to work, because there is nothing dry here in the forest. It rained a couple of days ago and everything is wet. Then we had very, very low temperatures. Everything was frozen and now it's just snowing, so very slim chances to find anything dry here. I honestly don't really care so much if I can make the fire or not. It's a wonderful experience to be here in the nature. Oh, I see there is a fair amount of snow on the tent now. I'm really curious how it's going to be inside. Yeah, I don't have the jacket on me now, I don't know why, but I feel pretty warm. I have this thermo clothes underneath, the ones that are really tight on your skin, and that's why I don't really feel cold at this moment. It's just wonderful. Can you hear the way the snow falls on the tent? That's just, oh, it's so quiet here, so nice and quiet. Okay, the moment of truth. I have now here some paper and some cardboard, and let's see how well this is going to work. Okay, the cardboard is burning. Nah, everything is wet. Everything is way too wet here. The wood is not even burning. The only thing that burns is just the paper. I mean, I am sure it's not impossible to make fire in the winter. I'm sure there are experts out there who can do it, but I'm not an expert at all. I tried again. I didn't give up, but I think it's going to be the same result. And just make a lot of smoke. But that's pretty much it. Just smoke. I can hear how the water is evaporating from the wood. It's just everything is wet. Okay, yeah, that's it. But anyway, I tried the fire, it didn't work. It's snowing like, oh, so nice. So nice out here. I'm going to go inside the tent now and see how cozy it is there. I have the thermometer. So I have now 1.7 degrees Celsius. 1.8. Okay, I first take this boots off my feet because I don't want to have the water in the tent. I will keep the boots outside because I don't want to have water in my tent. So I will keep them here like this. That should keep them dry. Okay. It's very weird to be inside. So what I can tell you how I feel like right now, I am cold, but not very cold. So that's how it is to be inside the tent in the winter, in case you have never had it. I should have maybe done this at the beginning. I'm going to level the snow here on the ground. I want to make it even, be everywhere the same level. What I'm really curious about is if the floor of the tent, if it's really waterproof and no water goes through. So far so good. I just feel the cold, but I don't feel nothing wet. I take out the thermometer right now. It says 1.3 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to put it up here. Here is the air mattress that I am going to open. I have also 2 batteries for the GoPro. So I have this mattress with the air pump, and it's going to take a while. Mattress is pumped. Woo! 6.7 degrees, but 91% humidity. Holy sh! Let's go to the next step, which is taking the blanket out and see how warm I can feel inside. This is a real blanket that I'm actually using home. Yeah, I decided to take this blanket because I could carry it in the backpack, so why not? I have some water and got some fruits. That's everything what I have with me. Not too bad though, not too bad. Oh, I feel pretty warm. I've been now in the tent for like around 20 minutes. The highest temperature I have reached inside was 7.8 degrees and I had 94% humidity. After I pumped up the air mattress, I laid it on the ground. It makes a pretty good job, like it's insulating good. I do not feel the cold from the ground too much. The problem is that I have a very high humidity in the tent. I have like 99% right now humidity. I have here 2, I would say, hatches on each side. This is a mesh especially made for the mosquitoes, of course, and the bugs do not come in. But the air circulation right now in the tent is pretty much zero. I have to open up here the doors, the zippers, to let a bit of air to circulate inside. But the tent does a good job. Like, it's really waterproof, no wetness whatsoever comes inside. I think if I am leaving the door open like this, the zipper open, I will have a bit more of air circulation. Maybe if I do it on the same side, on the other side as well. I don't think that the temperature should be very high inside the tent. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just some nylon, and it cannot stop the cold from outside, but it's stable. The poles are very rigid and they stay in place. It does a good job. This is just an experiment, and at the same time a review of my cheap tent, how it's behaving in the winter time, you know, in low temperatures. And I don't think I expected something else. Cool. I see that the humidity is really dropping. So as you can see, the snow is really being kept outside. What is important about the tent is that the bottom of it, the floor, is really also reaching a bit higher. So this is where the initial tent starts, and this is still the bottom of it. But yeah, altogether I can say that this tent is doing a great job. I'm going to pack everything now, deflate the air mattress, fold the blanket, put everything back in the backpack, and for the tent, and hopefully I'm going to be back home before it's getting completely dark. Back outside. Yeah, the fire didn't burn at all, as I was expecting, but the tent, yeah, did a great job. Okay, I am on my way back home now. Mission accomplished. It was nice to come out today and to have this adventure outdoor. I'm glad that I could put my tent to the test. And yeah, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, click as well on the notification bell, and check out the rest of my videos. I do fly paraglider a lot, and I have traveling vlogs as well. Check the ones from Jamaica, it was really nice. I have 20 plus episodes from that 30 days backpacking trip. And yeah, I appreciate your support. See you in the next one. Bye bye.